Is your sales team totally drowning in repetitive manual email follow-ups? It's a huge pain, right? Bouncing between different tools causes major delays. And honestly, that means you're missing out on crucial follow-ups. Well, meet Hello Email. It's a bulk email tool built right inside your HelloLeads CRM. You can launch campaigns in literally 2 steps. Just compose your message, pick your targets, and fire. Saved templates instantly autofill your personalized details. So yeah, wave goodbye to that tedious manual drafting. Plus, you can easily filter leads, pop in an unsubscribe link, and set a custom from address. Boom! You're instantly engaging multiple targeted leads all at once. It's an absolute game changer for saving time. After sending, you track every open and response right inside each individual lead's profile timeline. And that manager dashboard, it tracks all your key metrics so you can quickly refine your strategy. Hello, email delivers smarter, incredibly effective follow-ups, perfectly integrated at scale right in your CRM. So, are you ready to ditch the manual typing and engage all your leads in one go?